Hello and welcome to another episode of the Scratchoff Stockpiker. Tonight we'll be playing the same old card, the 250 BBs that can go up to 250k. The game is to have 3 of the same value behind these gold bars and see if we can get a prize. It's been very long since the last time that I made any claims on one of these tickets, so I decided to bring back an old good luck charm. I think it's time for us to bring back old car. So old car is back, and maybe he'll be able to get us anything here. The objective of this channel is to compare what I make in lottery tickets and what I make in the stock market. As it for now, I haven't figured out yet how I'm going to display this in an entertaining way. I have already bought some stock, and I'm just waiting for inspiration to come and being able to display it in a nice, interesting way for you guys. As it for now, we'll be playing number 222. I don't know if you believe in lucky numbers, but maybe today we'll have a lucky number 2. And let's see if old car can bring back a winning streak. So let's do this. The 250, not the best start. $500, it would be better. Another 250. This is not going well. Oh, the big one, 250k. Come on, old car. Come on, old car. Bring me 250k. Let's see. $500. So I have 2 possibilities. A 500 or 250 for me to get a claim. Work your magic. Let's go. And 250, old car for the win. It's not the best, but it's okay. Since I got this small prize, we'll be playing 2 cards next week. Those are the rules. When I get a winning card, we play 2 on the next day. Old card did your job. Thank you, old card. I would like to thank everybody that have been watching, and I would like to ask you to, if you isn't already subscribed, to please subscribe to the channel, leave it a like, put some comments down below, and give me any suggestions. Tell me what you like, what you don't like about these videos. I hope I've been helping you not gambling by scratching that gambling itch that you have with these lottery tickets. I hope you wake up tomorrow thinking that you are already a winner just for not gambling today. And hope to see you here tomorrow.